Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you some really simple DIY dollar store kitchen organization ideas. Today is the Organization DIY and Decor Challenge Day. This is the first one of 2019, and I am really excited to see all of the organization ideas from you, my YouTubing friends. So make sure to check out the playlist in the description box below. You can add your video to the playlist today if you haven't done so already. We recently gave our kitchen a bit of a makeover with some new appliances from The Brick. I will leave a link to that blog post in the description box below. And then we also had a butcher block countertop that needed refinishing. So my husband sanded down all of the countertops, and then I redid the stain on them. We redid the sealant, and I love how they look. They're a little bit richer and darker than what we had. So I went to both the Dollar Tree and Dollarama here in Canada, and I found some fantastic organization tools that I'm going to use in our kitchen to make it a little more organized. I'm the type of person that doesn't like organizing. Something that's really helped me is Cast from Clutterbug's method of organizing for the butterfly type. So I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below. You can check out your type and get some tips for your organization technique. So let me share with you some very simple dollar store organization ideas for your kitchen. If you have loose electronics like phones and tablets on your kitchen countertops, use one of those plastic woven look baskets you find at the dollar store and Dollarama, and you can just thread the cords or the chargers through the holes in the basket and plug them right into your phone. One of my biggest nemesis in my home is my Tupperware drawer or my plastic containers drawer. It is always a mess, so I decided to just simplify it and make it a little more organized for 2019. So I basically went through my entire drawer and I just discarded any of the old lids and containers I didn't use, and then I went into Dollarama and I used my handy dandy measuring tape. Make sure to bring one of those along to the dollar store with you when you go, and I found a couple of containers that fit perfectly into one side of my Tupperware drawer. I also found those drawer liners you can find at the Dollar Tree or Dollarama and lined the bottom of my drawer with those. These Rubbermaid collections here are actually from Walmart, but they were only $10 each, and I purchased those because a lot of my Tupperware was really old, and I loved the teal colored lids of these. Another trick is to store things upright, just like Marie Kondo does, so you can see them easily. So I put all of the lids of my plastic containers into the plastic baskets I found at Dollarama, just like this, and then I put the larger containers outside of the baskets and the smaller containers inside the baskets. So I wanted something really simple for this drawer because I'm not the type of person that's going to spend the time to meticulously put things back in rainbow order or anything like that. So just these two simple dollar store baskets were a great solution for all of my lids, so they would stay in one spot. And then just purging all the containers that were really old or ones that I don't use anymore or mismatched was also a great way for me to organize this very messy Tupperware drawer. Again, I'm putting everything I can upright so that you can see the sides of it, so I know that I have it, so it's there. So I have lots of things in these baskets and then the loose things on the left, and I absolutely love how this turned out. Those dollar store baskets and drawer liner make everything look neat and tidy, but it's a very simple solution. Next, let's talk about the fridge. We don't have much in our fridge right now because I'm filming this just before we're going on vacation, but I want to show you a couple of easy solutions. This turntable from Dollarama I thought was fabulous for fridge organization. I actually got this idea from my friend Jen at Clean and Sensible. I will leave a link to her website in the description box below. Hers is so helpful for organization. So I'm just putting all of my jars and loose things on this turntable right inside my fridge, and it's such a great solution so I can see everything easily and find it. These clear plastic containers were also from Dollarama. You can find similar ones from the Dollar Tree. So you could just get a chalk pen. You can find these at the dollar store and write the names of things on top of your plastic container. But I have a Cricut, so I just measured how big I wanted my labels to be. I designed them on the Cricut design space, so I just used my favorite font. I made labels for all of my different food categories I wanted inside these bins. And then I cut my labels I designed onto some white removable vinyl. Then I took the vinyl off of my cutting mat and I removed the vinyl from the backing just like this. And then I cut out the individual words with some scissors. Then I weeded out all of the insides of the letters with these Cricut tweezers. Then I took this, it's called transfer tape, and I'm just cutting a piece that's about the same size as my vinyl cutout, and I'm smoothing it on top of the vinyl, and then I'm removing it from the vinyl. It's kind of hard to see, I know, because it's white on white, but I'm just going to go through kind of the gist of it, and I will leave more specific instructions in the description box below if you're interested. So here is my food label, and I'm just attaching some of them to the outsides of these dollar store clear plastic bins. And that just helps me to visually see what should go in each bin. And then I'm also placing some on my fridge drawers, just like this. And I know these labels are removable, they won't leave a film, so it's a great solution for me just to visually help me make things easier, and also for my kids and my husband so they know exactly where things should go. So with the labels on the drawers in my fridge, and then the labels on these dollar store containers, as well as a couple turntables. So I have one for taller jars, and then on the top left of my fridge, I also have one for the shorter jars, so it fits in here. I think my fridge looks a whole lot more organized than it used to. It's also just a really simple way to organize, and it was very inexpensive. I'll also leave a link in the description box below if you want to learn more about my Cricut, which is also a handy tool. I also found these stickable hooks at the dollar store. This one was from Dollarama. I hang aprons and things on the outside of my cupboards, and I thought this was kind of messy. So one solution is to put these sticky hooks on the backs of doors, and then you can hang things like aprons and measuring cups and so on inside of your doors. This is a great solution for underneath your sink in your cabinet. I found this little guy from Dollarama as well, so rather than having a pile of soap and scrubbies and brushes and things underneath my sink, I'm just hanging this off the door on the side, and then everything's tucked neatly inside of the door underneath my sink. I think this is just another really simple solution so that I don't have things down and all over the place inside my cabinets, but things are up and away and everything is a lot easier and organized. I'm so happy with how my kitchen functions with just even these really simple tweaks using items from the Dollar Tree. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you found these organization ideas from the dollar store for your kitchen helpful. Let me know in the comments below which of these ideas you liked the best and why, and I would love to hear if you have any further ideas, easy ones, on how to keep your kitchen organized for 2019. And again, make sure to check out all the videos in the organization DIY and decor challenge. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. I can't wait to see everybody's videos. I'm looking forward to getting some more organization ideas for my own home. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.